to start. As to what will happen to them, reflects on what we have given them, reflects on how ready we have prepared them, myself included. I'm just speaking of us as a sector. Now, if we have higher education that can take only 30%, and 70%, by the way, I come from the economic development space. I was closer to the industry till now. The industry will tell you, point blank, they don't massage your feelings. At some point, I ran to the Chamber of Commerce and said, no, it can't be that the kids, if they can't go to varsity, they must roam on the street. Employ these kids. This is that. Because higher education, we can argue, that's a business of higher education. However, in the industry, all those employers must see to their abilities and their training. And over prepare, they must be ready. Now, what about those that can't go to education, those that can't go to the industry? Whose business is this? They come from us. You see? So those are some of the difficult questions which we believe that we got to focus more on them so that we make sense out of our education system. We must not produce the kids, informally we call it the unemployed basket. Our system must not produce for the unemployed basket or company. We must be confident that when our kids leave, they are ready to do something with their lives. So, but I'm not there. I'm just saying, when we are here celebrating this excellence, we've got to ensure that the relationship between the developmental program of government and education continues to be complementary. And I'm quite happy that we are doing well in terms of preparing. We just have to continue doing more. The Free State Province, in terms of its vision, we normally take this opportunity when we find platforms like this as provincial government to rally everyone behind our vision. Part of our vision is that we have to go back to where the Free State is a breadbasket of the country. And I always argue that that is not possible unless we invest a lot in education, meaning we've got to increase, as we have started to do. Currently, our budget, I think,